Welcome to an illuminating exploration of the intricate pickle production process. Join us as we embark on a fascinating journey, tracing the transformation of humble cucumbers into delectable pickles. This remarkable odyssey encompasses sophisticated agricultural techniques, cutting-edge processing methods, and a dash of culinary artistry. Our adventure begins in the fertile fields where cucumbers take root. The process commences with precision planting, a crucial first step in the pickle-making journey. State-of-the-art machinery, guided by advanced GPS technology, meticulously places each seed at optimal depths and spacing. This high-tech approach ensures ideal growing conditions, setting a solid foundation for a bountiful and high-quality harvest. As the cucumber plants mature, they receive attentive care from dedicated farmers who employ a range of cultivation practices. These agricultural experts carefully manage the cucumber fields, providing essential nutrients, implementing efficient irrigation systems, and monitoring for potential pest or disease issues. Their vigilant oversight creates an environment where cucumbers can thrive and reach their full potential. Pollination, a pivotal step in cucumber development, is facilitated by nature's most efficient pollinators, bees. These industrious insects play a vital role in the life cycle of cucumbers, transferring pollen from male to female flowers. This natural process is often supplemented by managed bee colonies, ensuring consistent and thorough pollination across vast cucumber fields. When the cucumbers reach their peak of maturity, the much-anticipated harvest commences. Modern farmers utilize advanced harvesting systems that strike a delicate balance between efficiency and product quality. These innovative methods, which may include specialized picking machines or conveyor systems, allow for streamlined operations that often require minimal manual labor while still treating the cucumbers with the gentleness they deserve. To truly appreciate the scale of cucumber production, it's worth noting its global significance. China, for instance, stands as the world leader in cucumber cultivation, producing an astounding 77 million tons annually. This staggering volume not only underscores the cucumber's importance in global agriculture but also highlights the massive scale of operations required to meet the world's pickle demand. Once harvested, the cucumbers embark on the next phase of their journey, post-harvest processing. This crucial stage begins with a thorough cleaning process, where the cucumbers are gently but effectively cleansed of any field debris. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes work in tandem to ensure each cucumber is pristine, preparing them for the next steps in their pickle transformation. Following the cleaning process, the cucumbers undergo a rigorous quality inspection. Trained experts and advanced optical sorting technology work together to scrutinize each cucumber, ensuring that only the finest specimens progress to the pickling stage. This meticulous selection process is key to maintaining the high standards that pickle enthusiasts have come to expect. The pickling process itself is where science meets culinary tradition. The carefully selected cucumbers are immersed in a precisely formulated brine solution. This mixture, often a closely guarded proprietary blend, is the secret behind the characteristic pickle flavor. It typically includes water, vinegar, salt, and a carefully balanced combination of spices and herbs. The cucumbers remain in this flavorful bath for a specified period, allowing for optimal absorption of the tangy, savory essence that defines a great pickle. The pickle industry prides itself on offering a diverse range of products to cater to various consumer preferences. Sliced pickles, with their uniform shape and convenient size, have gained immense popularity for their perfect fit in sandwiches and burgers. These pre-cut delights offer a burst of flavor and satisfying crunch in every bite. On the other hand, whole pickles, affectionately known as gherkins, present a different yet equally appealing texture and eating experience. These smaller, bumpier varieties have a charm all their own, often favored by those who enjoy the satisfying snap of biting into a whole pickle. The unique texture of gherkins, combined with their concentrated flavor, makes them a beloved snack and garnish option. Beyond these common varieties, the pickle world offers an array of specialties. From bread and butter pickles with their sweet and tangy profile to fiery hot pickles that pack a spicy punch, there's a pickle to suit every palate. Artisanal pickle makers often experiment with unique flavor combinations, incorporating ingredients like garlic, dill, mustard seeds, or even unconventional additions like curry spices or fruit juices. As we conclude our comprehensive overview of the pickle production process, we invite you to stay tuned for future content exploring the fascinating worlds of food processing and agriculture. The journey from cucumber to pickle is just one example of the intricate processes that bring our favorite foods to our tables. While pickles are primarily celebrated for their bold flavors and satisfying crunch, they offer more than just a taste sensation. These tangy delights bring several potential health benefits to the table. Pickles contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria that can contribute to digestive health by promoting a balanced gut microbiome. Additionally, their high water content makes them a hydrating snack option, particularly appealing during warm weather or after physical activity. Recent research has shed light on some intriguing properties of cucumbers, the primary ingredient in pickles. Studies suggest that compounds found in cucumbers may play a role in blood sugar regulation, potentially offering benefits for those managing diabetes or concerned about glucose levels. While more research is needed to fully understand these effects, it's an exciting area of nutritional science that highlights the potential hidden benefits of this common vegetable. The fiber content in pickles is another noteworthy nutritional aspect. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining healthy digestive function, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting overall gastrointestinal health. While the pickling process may reduce some of the fiber content found in fresh cucumbers, pickles still retain a beneficial amount, contributing to your daily fiber intake. It's important to note that pickles, particularly traditionally prepared varieties, can be high in sodium due to the brine solution used in the pickling process. While sodium is an essential nutrient, excessive intake can be a concern for individuals managing hypertension or other health conditions. For those watching their sodium intake, low-sodium pickle varieties are available, offering the same great taste with reduced salt content. Whether you prefer the convenience of sliced pickles, the satisfying crunch of whole gherkins, or the bold flavors of specialty varieties, incorporating pickles into your diet can be both an enjoyable and potentially beneficial choice. The unique combination of tangy flavor, potential probiotic benefits, and fiber content makes pickles a versatile food option that can complement a wide range of dishes or stand alone as a satisfying snack. As with any food, moderation is key. While pickles offer several potential benefits, they should be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. By understanding the nutritional profile of pickles and appreciating the complex journey from cucumber field to pickle jar, we can develop a deeper appreciation for this timeless food that has been delighting taste buds for centuries.